Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So if you're looking for a fast, reliable way to convert Ghana Cedis to Nigerian Naira, you're in the right place. So today I'll walk you through an easy step-by-step method using Bybit P2P platform. So whether you need to transfer money for personal use or business purpose, this guide will show you how to do it skillfully and at the best rate. So stay tuned, because by the end of this video you will know exactly how to buy USDT with Cedis, sell it for Naira, and receive the payment directly to your Nigerian bank account, all without hassle. So first of all, we need to log into our Bybit account. So here I have it already. I'll go ahead and click on it. Yeah, so it will show me this page. So if you don't have Bybit account, you need to go and download it from Play Store. You download it and sign up and verify your account before you start using this picture. So once you have verified account like mine here, so you go straight now and click P2P trading. P2P trading, this is where I'll be able to buy USDT with my Ghana Cedis. So I'll go ahead and click on it. Yes, it will open this page. So you see buy and sell, so you need to scroll down and see the best price. The person that will send, yes, they are like this, so you choose the one you think it is best for you. So as for me, I'll go for this guy. Let me see this. Okay, I'll go for this humble bits. I think he's having good rate, 99% rating. I'll click on it, buy. So here is it. So here you need to insert the amount you need to buy. Let me just buy maybe 30 cedi. Let me buy 30. Okay, let me buy 35 cedi like this. So after that, you click on buy. Understand? So you'll be having 2 USDT. When you click buy, you wait. So this is it now. So you need to go and contact the merchant and chat him. You see, he says drop your number and allow cash out. So you just have to type your mobile number, MTN mobile number, and then you allow cash out so that you'll be able to make the payment. So right away I'll type my number like this. If I've typed it already, now I will say cash out allowed. Okay, I made a mistake. Allowed like this. Okay, I'll see cash out allowed after I sent my number. So I'll need to come quickly as possible to come and dial 1*170#. So you wait for it and choose option pull, allow cash out. So yes, click on yes, allow cash out. That is if you're using MTN mobile money. So here is it. So yeah, finally he sent. Okay, I'll need to approve the transaction. I'll press yes. That is it. Cash out is successful. Then I told him approved. That is successful. So as you can see, they deduct my 35 cedi from my Momo account. So I'll now click payment complete. Then I'll click OK. So that is it. So I will wait for him to release my coins. So you have to wait for some minutes. Sometimes there is this network problem, so you need to be patient about it. Yeah, that is it. Okay, let me refresh it. It's not yet. Let me refresh it again and click on it again. Pending. Okay, he will confirm it and then release my USDT for me. Yeah, that is it. He marked. Okay, so he marked the transaction. Now the USDT is already in my wallet, as you can see. Now it has increased to 10 USDT. You remember before I was having 8 USDT, so now I'm having 10. So that is it. So after that, you need to go back to Bybit account again, click on it again, and we need to go and sell this USDT to Nigeria, for Nigerian Naira. So you type NGN, as you can see here, you choose Naira, then from there you choose the best. As for this case, you go and click on sell because we are selling now. So after that, you choose the payment method, which is bank account. Then you scroll down and see the best price, the one you think is having good rating and best price. So as for me, let me see, I choose this guy. Okay, as you can see, I choose my payment method is bank transfer. Click sell if you're okay. Then it will show you this place where you just choose the the payment method, which is bank transfer. So you click on it, so and you wait for it. Sometimes there used to be this network issue, so you make sure when you click sell you have to wait. So that is it. Finally, my account number is there, so you wait for him to make the payment. So he now mark payment done. So I will need to go and confirm whether he sent that amount. You have to make sure, go and check your account. Let me go to my PalmPay account and make sure that he made the payment. So I will scroll down here and go to my PalmPay account. So yeah, there you go. So the money has arrived successfully. So I will go back to Bybit. And release the coin for him. So I confirm it. I will just click on release now. So I will check in this. I confirm it, acknowledge, click on it. Then you need to go and then click on, and okay, you need to go to Google authentication to copy the pin, and you come and paste it here. That is, you confirmed the payment is from you. So you confirm it now, get back to Bybit and inside the pin here. So confirmed. So that is it. You make the payment successfully. That is it. So we are done. So this is how you simply convert your CD to Nigerian Naira via Bybit. This is the most simplest way of converting CD to Naira. And that is it. You have successfully converted your Ghana cedis to Nigerian Naira using Bybit P2P platform. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notification for more tutorials. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section and I'll be glad to help. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.